Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use HubSpot CRM for sales. So for that, first of all, we will see how we can create an account on HubSpot, and for that you need to open up your browser and then search for HubSpot. After that, you need to open up HubSpot's homepage, and for that, make sure that you are going to HubSpot.com, and it is the homepage. So we will just scroll down and just open up this one. And this is where it will lead us to. Then we will just scroll down a little bit, and here we will find this option of Sales Hub, and here we will just click on Get Started. Then it will provide the option of free tools or premium edition. So we will just select the Get Started free, or you can just go for the demo of premium version of it. Let me select the free one for now. And then it will ask you to provide your details like your name, last name, email address, industry, job role, and other stuff. Or you can just simply click on this option of continue with Google in order to continue without having to type more details about you. So let me type my details over here. After providing all the details, just click on next. Then HubSpot will send an email to your email that we just provided. And all you have to do is just see the code that has been received by you. Just type that code over here and verify your email. After verifying your email address, you will need to create a password in order to secure your account. Make sure that you follow the guidelines for password creation. So let me create mine. And after that, just click on create account. Wait for it to load. Then you need to select your expertise of using CRM. If you are completely new, then I would suggest you to go with the option of I have never used CRM before, and just choose the other options accordingly. So let's get with the first option right now. So this is how you can create your HubSpot account. After that, you can just simply add your teammates over here, add your contacts on this. So we can just simply go to settings on the top right corner. And then on the left hand side panel, you will find this option of users and teams under the account setup heading. And here you just need to select this option of teams. And then just click on this option of create teams. In order to work together, so you can just simply click on this option of add contacts or invite a teammate accordingly. You can also click on this option of contacts on the top left corner, and here just go with the contacts and you will be able to add contacts. But for this video, we will just see how we can create a sales pipeline according to our needs, and how we can manage and see how the things work out with us and take important decisions regarding it. So for that, you need to click on sales option. Then you can just simply click on deals. And here you will be able to change the view of it by clicking on this option of view your deals board. Basically, it will show us in a board format, and if we click on this option of list, then it will show us in list format. So this is how you change the view of it. The board one is also quite good. On the board section, we actually see how the process or the sales pipeline looks like. So these are the steps for our sales, and you can change these steps according to our needs by clicking on this option of board actions, then click on this option of edit stages. And this is where it will lead us to. Now these are the default stages, and you can just simply change them. Like if appointment is scheduled, then cracking that particular deal involves the probability of 20%, and as the stages proceeds, the probability of settling the deal also increases. And in the end, if we win a deal or close a deal in a positive manner, then it's a win. And if we lose it, then we just lose that deal, and we will basically see how it all works. So just change these stages accordingly, according to your business process or the operations. And after that, you can just simply save it. Like for example, you can just simply select click over here and select it all and change it to prospect. and the save option will appear as soon as you make any change. Just click save. And if you want to automate this process, then you need to get the premium of HubSpot, and you will be able to get everything automated and you won't have to do much job about it. But let's focus on the free version, as it is way more sufficient for a small business. So let's see by going on to the dashboard. And here you will be able to see that a prospect one has been added instead of the previous one. And let's create a deal for now. And here we need to provide the deal name. Suppose it is about stock portfolio management. And it will then ask us which pipeline it should be with. So it is about the sales pipeline, and it will then ask us at what stage do we think this particular deal is at. So if it is at prospect, then we will just select prospect. And if we are to schedule a presentation with the client, then we can just click on this option and select it. We can then select the amount of it, like $10,000, and also select the rate of a particular deal, the close date. So we will just select it accordingly. 5th of April, and deal owner is me, so it's my name over here. And we can select the deal type, whether it is with a new business or the business that we have already been dealing with. So we can just select accordingly. And we can also set the priority to it, since we have some more time to work around this particular deal. So we will just select it to medium for now. Then you can add some more details to it. And for now, I'm just clicking on this option of create, so we can see how it is all done. And after that, you will be able to particularly see the details of that particular deal over here. You can simply add notes to it. You can send or create an email for it. You can call it. You can make a phone call by clicking on this option. And there are some other options as well related to this particular deal. Now let's get back to the deals section. So we selected the presentation scheduled option while creating this particular deal. That's why this particular deal is over here. If we selected the prospect section, then this would have been over here. So as soon as our deals moves forward in a particular process in our pipeline, we can just move them this way. So suppose our presentation has been scheduled and then we did a great job at it, then we can just move it forward. And this way we will be able to move this particular deal forward to either closed with a win or lose. If we move it to the win section, this is how it will show us this particular pop-up. And we will be seeing this particular total at the bottom of it. And this way we will be able to track all the deals that we receive. And we will also be able to see that on which particular section of our pipeline we get to see the traffic has been congested or the deals has been not moving forward. So we can work around on that particular stage in order to increase our sales. And this is how you use HubSpot for CRM sales. I hope this video was helpful, and if you still need any help, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.